Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sight in a rifle. I'll be sighting in a 6.5 Grendel with a Vortex 4x12x44 scope. We'll be using a 25 yard range, but I'll be dead on at 200 yards. I'll explain that in the video. We also have a Dead Air Sandman S suppressor. Stay tuned, it's going to be a good one.
Because I want 3 shots at the right on the white X and the red square. Okay. So that's possible that we've got 2 here and 1 here. Do you think this was your first one or your?
I think that might have been my first one.
Okay.
That's...
So I'm going to take 3 shots now. Okay. Empty. Safety. Hold. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to steer the bullet. As you see with our grouping, we are shooting high and a little bit to the right. Okay, so we want to steer the bullet. So we want to come down about 3 inches and see where that goes. We're shooting at 25 yards, so that's going to be times 4. So I want to go down 3 inches. So that's going to be 16 clicks per inch. So 16 times 3, 48. All right, so we're steering the bullet. So we need to steer the bullet down about 3 inches. So let's give it a try. Down, steering the bullet down. And then I just want to go over about a ½ an inch, so that's going to be about 8 to the right, left. I want to go left.
God, this thing isn't even going to hit the target anymore.
Okay. All right.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so there we go. So here is our first group. So then we moved it down 3 inches and over an inch. I think this was our very, very first shot that we took. So here we got a 5-shot group. I would say that's not too bad. Not too bad. All right, let's get Miss Deb on the rifle. All right, very nice group right there.
And that's how you sight in a rifle. You steer the bullet. So as you can see, we are dead on at 25 yards, which is going to be about 1.5 inches high at 100 yards, and dead on at 200 yards, about 8 inches low at 300 yards, which is perfect distance for whitetail deer and hogs. Again, we're shooting the 6.5 Grendel, which is going to be about 2,200 feet per second and 1,320 foot-pounds of energy at 200 yards. Absolutely perfect for whitetail deer. Compared to the 30-30, it's going to have more power at 200 yards. Compared to the 6.5 Creedmoor, it's a little bit less power, but it's going to be easier to shoot. Very, very similar to the 450 Bushmaster at 200 yards, and it's going to have more power than the 350 Legend and much more power than the 300 Blackout. So again, 6.5 Grendel seems like the absolute perfect deer round for your AR platform. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.